Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Scorpios. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios. Let us see what is coming up, guys. Nine of Wands, Ace of Wands, the Tower. Scorpios, with these cards, I feel you are trying to create something new, maybe in your work or in this relationship. You are heading towards a new phase in your relationship. Maybe you want to get engaged to this person or get married, but you are facing few blocks, guys. Some kind of block is there, something is opposing you, delaying delaying your actions, or in your work something has come up that you cannot what to say do what you want to do. Something is blocking your way to reach your goal. Something is obstructing you, guys. Some kind of obstacles are there, so it is causing a great stress for you, and you're feeling really sad that things are not going the way you wanted to go in your life. Something is causing these troubles. Let us see what it is, guys. What is the reason for these blocks? Maybe you want to have this committed relationship, but something is blocking you. Okay, guys, I think with these cards you are surely going to overcome the emotional blocks you have, guys, to come into this person, come into this relationship with this person, guys. So something was there that was causing stress within you, something that was blocking your way, that is going to go, and you are going to feel the guidance and confidence and the inspiration to reach this person. And this person is definitely interested in this relationship, guys. So they're definitely interested in romance. So this person will come towards you, or they will surely accept your proposal. They'll surely accept whatever you say in this relationship. They are open to a relationship, guys. So that is the energy here, and today you will find the path to reach your goal, whatever it is. It may be in work or in this relationship. You are having the strength and courage to make things work to your benefit, guys. Let us see what the fairies are guiding us today, guys. Lantern Fairy, a clear solution. With this card, guys, the energy is that we face so many challenges, and sometimes we wish for something and we will be very stubborn to reach that. But sometimes in life you have to give up your old pattern of thinking, pattern of doing things to reach your goal. But instead of that, we have to be more flexible. We have to accept the choice that leads us to light, guys, that leads us towards love, kindness and freedom. And when you give up all that hatred and anger we have, we will reach our destination in a very gentle path, in a very gentle manner. So that is the fairies guidance here, guys. So you need to take the path that is that leads us with love and kindness instead of stubbornness and arrogance. So we have to give up that So that is the energy, guys. Scorpios, let us see what is your love message from your person. You appreciate me. So this person really feels happy to be with you with this connection, and they feel you have a very good bonding with this person. So that is what they feel about you guys, or this is what you feel about this person. So it works vice versa, Scorpios. So that is the reading, Scorpios. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.